In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sitelink extensions in Google Ads. Sitelinks are the extra links that appear under your main search ad, giving people quick paths to key pages like pricing, contact, or featured products. They help your ad take up more space on the results page, improve relevance, and often boost your click-through rate. First, go to your Google Ads account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and open the Assets section. This is where all your ad add-ons live. Think of assets as your toolbox for enhancing ads, and sitelinks are one of the most effective tools inside. Inside Assets, find and select Sitelink. Depending on your view, you may see Sitelink listed among other asset types. Selecting it filters the workspace so you're only working with sitelinks, which keeps things simple and focused. Now click the plus icon to create a new sitelink. This opens the sitelink editor. In the sitelink text field, type the clickable text people will see under your ad. Keep it short, clear, and action-oriented, like shop new arrivals, book a demo, or view pricing. Avoid repeating your headline. Instead, highlight different sections of your site. Below that, add a brief description. These description lines can provide helpful context and encourage more qualified clicks. For example, you might clarify what visitors will find on the page or mention a benefit or perk. Descriptions show when there's room, so write them to stand on their own and keep them closely aligned with the landing page. Next, enter the final URL. This should be the exact landing page that matches your sitelink text and description, not just your homepage. Use the full URL with HTTPS and make sure the page loads quickly and looks good on mobile. Relevance matters here. The closer the match, the better the performance and the smoother the user experience. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your sitelink is created and will be eligible to show with your search ads after Google reviews it. If a sitelink isn't eligible or gets disapproved, double-check that the URL works and that the text complies with policies. A quick tip: use sitelinks that lead to distinct pages for better coverage. Over time, revisit your sitelinks and refine the wording to emphasize what resonates most with your audience. And that's how to add sitelink extensions in Google Ads: fast, clear, and effective.